Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 1970 Ford Boss 302. It's been converted to an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth, and so this comes from Harold in Aledo, Texas, and is out. Okay, I already said what car it's out of, a 70 Ford Boss 302. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works. This customer did request the conversion to be wired to his original connectors, and since this is only a 2-speaker unit, he's only got 2 speaker outputs, and you don't get that increase in output power going into a common ground speaker system. So the radio will have roughly the same output that it had before when it was working, except now it's got FM and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to this one strong AM station I get.
Absolutely. Look, I was on. I'm still on.
We'll just check our speakers real quick.
I like him. I have a lot of respect for him. I love what he's done in Florida.
Balance left.
MAGA wants Trump. I mean, that's it.
Balance
right.
right.
I talk to a lot of folks who are so close to Trump and
Okay,
his former
center
campaign, and just a lot of the base. I mean, look.
Okay, and we get
isn't a conservative base anymore. It's a popular.
And we get a
base.
couple
There's
of weak stations towards this end of the dial, so we'll just see if we can tune those in. I guess they're not. I guess those stations aren't coming in today. So we'll just go to FM. I've got all 5 buttons preset to FM stations in my area. So the way we go from AM to FM is to turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off on. Now we're on FM. It looks like a little bit of a. That first one drifted a bit. Just reset that one.
Some of them are over 10,000.
There we go. A little bit of drift there. It's been a while since I said it. There we go.
And they are family and veteran owned. They are going to take great care.
Alrighty. Just want to confirm that all the buttons can be preset. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. She'll come back in 90 seconds saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's test the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Let's go steady again. Holy world, such a long say we're through. Summer, when the ring around will show that it's too slow to fly away. Love needs to break up. Come on, I don't care.
Okay, pull the tape, and the radio comes back. Let's test that dial light real quick. You probably can't see it, but I can. Yep, you can see it flashing on and off behind those buttons there. Okay. And this on a nice energetic FM broadcast. Okay, everything is working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me through my website in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Harold, for your business from Aledo, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.